Look at this cute apple. Can you draw it? Stay, I'll show you how. Welcome to Kids Coloring Art. Let's draw. First, the stem. Second, leaf. Now, the most important part, the apple body. Grab your pencils and draw with me. Start from the stem, curve out to the left. Big round curve going down, come back up on the right and meet back at the stem. See that little dip at the top? A small oval shape on the side. Two sleepy cute eyes. Our apple is coming alive! And last, a little smile. Now let's make it bold. Outline done. Now coloring time. Let's go. Red, brown, yellow, orange, dark green, pink, black, light green, blue, purple. Secret challenge is coming up next, so don't go. Stem brown, leaf fresh green. Now the most satisfying part. Color our apple red. Beautiful bright red. Fill it in with smooth circular strokes. Round and round. Like painting a real apple. See how the color fills in so beautifully. Our apple is looking absolutely amazing. Secret challenge is coming up next. Shine? Now we color it yellow. Wow, look at that. Isn't it the cutest apple you have ever seen? Secret challenge time. Draw this apple again, but make it crazy. Make it rainbow apple. Today you drew a super cute apple with a smiley face. Amazing work. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for a new drawing every single week. Next video, can you guess what we are drawing? See you next time. Bye bye, little superstar.